Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Exodus Wallet Easy Method. Open the Exodus app, unlock with PIN or biometrics, and tap the wallet that holds the asset you want to withdraw. Next, select Send or Withdraw, paste the recipient address carefully, and confirm network fees shown. Double-check the address, choose the appropriate network, and authorize the transaction with your security method to complete the withdrawal securely. Choosing the right network and fee matters for safe and economical withdrawals. After entering the recipient address, Exodus will display available networks and estimated fees. Pick the network that matches the destination wallet. If speed is not urgent, choose a lower fee option to save costs while expecting longer confirmation times. Confirm the fee amount and estimated time displayed, then proceed to authorize the transaction once you are comfortable with the settings. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help support more easy crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: I've been using these leak-proof containers for meal prep, and they save me time and mess, which is oddly relevant when avoiding transaction mess-ups. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If you want fiat in your bank, first convert crypto to a supported fiat inside Exodus or send to an exchange that offers bank withdrawals. Use the app prompts to choose Sell or Withdraw to bank, then link your bank account or payment method as required. Review limits and any identity verification steps, confirm the amount after fees, and submit. Expect the transfer to take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and region.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.